Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. At the University of Trieste, medical hopefuls begin studies without entrance exam.
Italy has launched a major reform in medical education, scrapping the entrance exam in favor of a semester-long evaluation. At the University of Trieste, over 600 students began courses in medicine and dentistry, facing new challenges from packed classrooms to digital attendance tracking. Success now depends on passing key science exams and ranking nationally.
Siamo di fronte a un nuovo sistema e come al solito i sistemi devono essere rodati e quindi noi ci siamo sforzati di calibrare tutto quello che abbiamo fatto in maniera da ottimizzare la preparazione dei nostri studenti.
Trieste unveiled a new public awareness campaign aimed at helping residents recognize, prevent and report scams.
Trieste has launched #SOS Truffe, Recognize, Prevent, Report, a new campaign to raise awareness about scams. Running through September, it urges citizens, especially seniors, to stay vigilant and report suspicious calls or offers.
#SOS Truffe, it's a new sensibilization campaign, a communication project to help our citizens to recognize, to prevent, to denounce every type of fraud. Contact number, very useful contact number, are 112 and also the police telephone number 0403661111. The project will work till the end of September.
The regional government of Friuli Venezia Giulia has introduced a new digital tool aimed at simplifying access to financial support for local businesses.
Friuli Venezia Giulia launches its new digital app, which facilitates accessibility to tenders offered by the region. Now, businesses can track opportunities and grow alongside the region.
Beh, intanto iniziamo ovviamente sperimentandola per le imprese del Friuli Venezia Giulia. La nostra idea poi ovviamente è di renderla usufruibile anche in multilingua per chi vuole investire in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Vorremmo rendere qualcosa di semplice. Dopo è chiaro che i grandi investimenti già oggi vengono seguiti da agenzie lavoro e sviluppo imprese che li assiste in modo tailor-made rispetto alle esigenze. Per gli investimenti più piccoli e per chi vuole appunto approcciare al Friuli Venezia Giulia invece l'app può essere una soluzione interessante che rende chiare le linee contributive e rende più semplice il rapporto con la regione.
È uno strumento molto interessante, moderno, facile, che permetterà alle tante imprese e tanti imprenditori della nostra regione di programmare i propri investimenti e soprattutto di conoscere le tante misure che la regione mette a disposizione per varie tipologie di investimenti. Mancava strumento a mio avviso facilmente scaricabile con un QR code. Quindi insomma quello che chiedo adesso a tutti gli imprenditori: scaricatela, mettetela sul telefonino e utilizzatela.
In Trieste, regional leaders highlighted progress in digital healthcare, noting that the region has activated electronic health records for all residents.
In Friuli Venezia Giulia, the European Electronic Health Record is now being implemented. A single digital platform that securely gathers medical data and makes it accessible across Europe, offering citizens safe, efficient and connected healthcare.
E sicuramente la tecnologia può aiutare a migliorare i servizi ai cittadini e garantire anche un controllo e un'assistenza più costante. Penso per esempio a dei progetti sperimentali che stiamo facendo per quanto riguarda i controlli in remoto dei pazienti cronici che potranno garantire una costanza nel monitorare le situazioni patologiche del paziente stesso e ovviamente la capacità di intervento da parte del medico in caso di necessità.
At Venice Film Festival, Friuli Venezia Giulia stepped into the spotlight.
Running from late August to early September, the Venice Film Festival has once again confirmed itself as the beating heart of international cinema. And this year, Friuli Venezia Giulia is at the center of it all. With 3 productions tied to its land, its culture, and its people, the region of Friuli Venezia Giulia is not just providing locations. it's providing stories.
Why is it important for Friuli Venezia Giulia cinema to be represented at the Venice Film Festival?
Well, the Venice Film Festival is not only the biggest festival in Italy, it's also one of the biggest festivals in the world.
Well, it's really important because in Italy is the most important event dedicated to cinema. So here you can meet a lot of people, especially Italian. So if you have to make some appointment, this is the place to be.
This first September weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia sees a surge of visitors from around the globe. Another bustling weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Let's see what people are up to.
Barcola, work, Barcola, and I think a little bit of sport, and that's it.
Maybe go to Barcola, to sunbathe a bit.
See the Miramare Castle. They told me that it's very good castle. It's amazing. There is an amazing landscape, good view. So
I have a wedding in Tuscany.
No, really, but maybe a walk by Trieste, or having great time in the sea, or having a good walk with friends, with colleagues.
Having a good time here because there is a very good sun, and it's a wonderful place.
I would like to visit the cave Grotta Gigante, the big cave that you also have here.
No idea, I'm sorry.
Have a massage in Nova Gorica, and then I will go to my boyfriend that he lives close to Udine.
No, maybe a Nosmitsa or something like this. Yeah, it's good weather, not that hot yet, but...
I was in the castle.
Miramare.
Yes, Miramare.
We are living here, so we will go to Croatia for holiday.
It is also nice to explore the close places. It is very nice.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.